Welcome to Think Big University, where mindset meets monetization. You're here because you're not just dreaming about success, you're ready to hustle for it. Today we're diving into how to legally start your business in Minnesota. This isn't about some wishy-washy, maybe one day kind of thing. If you're serious about turning your hustle into a real business, this right here, this is the blueprint. Let's crush it. Alright, first things first, you gotta figure out your business structure. This is the legal foundation, the backbone of your operation. We're talking about choosing between a sole proprietorship, a partnership, an LLC, or maybe even an S-corp. Don't glaze over. This stuff matters. Each one has different legal and tax implications, so do your homework. An LLC, or limited liability company, is often a great choice for startups. It provides some personal liability protection, which means your personal assets are shielded if the business goes south. Plus, the tax structure can be advantageous. But hey, I'm not a lawyer or a CPA, so consult with one to figure out what's best for your specific situation. So you've chosen to be an LLC? Awesome! Now it's time to make it official with the state of Minnesota. Head over to the Secretary of State's website. That's sos.mn.gov. You can file your LLC registration online or go old school and mail it in. Either way, it's going to cost you a little bit of money, but trust me, it's a worthwhile investment. You're making this thing real, official, legit. Once you're registered, boom, you're in business, baby. But wait, we're not done yet. Keep watching. Next up, you gotta get your business its own Federal Employer Identification Number, or EIN for short. Think of it like a social security number for your business. It's free and easy to apply online at irs.gov/ein. Why do you need an EIN? This is how the government identifies your business for tax purposes. It's also essential for opening a business bank account, hiring employees down the line, and basically just operating like a real deal business. Don't skip this step, it's crucial. Listen up, this is non-negotiable. You need a separate bank account for your business. Mixing personal and business finances is a recipe for disaster, trust me. Grab your shiny new LLC documents and your EIN, and head down to your local bank or credit union. Look for banks that offer perks for startups or have low monthly fees. Having a dedicated business account makes tracking income and expenses way easier. Come tax time, you'll be thanking me. Plus, it just looks more professional when you're dealing with clients and vendors. Alright, almost there, but we gotta make sure you're operating above board. Depending on your business type and location in Minnesota, you might need specific licenses and permits. This is where you gotta do a little research. Check out mn.gov/deed or your city's business portal. They'll have all the info you need. Don't skip this step. Getting hit with fines or worse, shut down, because you didn't get the right permits is a major buzzkill. Do your due diligence, get everything squared away, and then you can operate with peace of mind. Boom! You did it! You're beginning to lay the legal foundation for your empire, but this is just the beginning. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes hustle, dedication, and a whole lot of heart. Subscribe, share this with a future CEO, and stay tuned. Next episode, we're building your brand. This is Think Big University, where mindset meets monetization. Now go out there and crush it.